Welcome to The Explainer. We're reporting on a major wealth shift from physical property to digital platforms.
So let's dive into this. It's a trend where digital assets are seriously challenging traditional real estate.
The idea is that owning a profitable online store is just like owning a rental property.
So why are investors making this move online? Well, let's explore 4 key reasons, starting with cost.
Okay, just look at this. The difference in the initial investment is absolutely staggering.
And these are the potential net margins. We're talking predictable monthly cash flow, kind of like rent.
You know how people flip houses? Well, now they're flipping online stores for some pretty significant profits.
But what are we actually talking about here? How much can you sell one of these stores for?
Get this, on average, about 3 times its yearly profit if sales and automation are consistent.
Unlike real estate, a digital asset's value isn't about location. It's all about its brand reputation. Let's move on and actually see how building one of these compares directly to real estate.
You can see here the path is almost identical. Buying a domain is like buying a piece of land. So what's in it for you? A faster return on your investment, global scale, and 24/7 income.
But is the ship sailing? Is this still a good investment as we head into 2025?
The answer is yes, especially for stores with strong operational systems like automation and AI.
This quote really sums it up. It suggests a fundamental shift in what a valuable asset even is.
So, the bottom line is that people who build and automate early are set to win big.
So if you're a busy professional looking to own a hands-off e-commerce store,
You can visit the website from our source material to get started. The link's in the description.